How to fix storage full on Android. Firstly, open settings on your device and go to the search bar on the top. In the search bar, type in storage. Click on the first option that pops up. Here you will see all your storage analysis. If you scroll down a bit, then at the bottom you should see options like recycle bin, unused apps, duplicate files, and large files. Go through these options once to delete them, or you can generally click on show more to show all data. As you can see right now, videos are taking most of my storage space, but within storage also you can go to unused apps. Now these are all the applications that you are not using for a long time. If these apps are not useful to you, then simply uninstall them. If you don't have any more storage on your device, then you can simply upload them to cloud or drive. You can click on the plus icon at the bottom and start uploading your photos and videos. Drive offers 15 GB of free storage. You can open a new Gmail account and you will get 15 GB of storage and simply store your photos and videos here. So that's all for today. Thank you.